I just spent an entire week trying to work out whether an ad blocker really makes your internet browsing that much faster, but the results were super interesting and certainly not what I was expecting. Okay, let's do this.
Break it down now, phone, gadget, apps, it's the Techie guy, yeah.
And welcome to another episode of Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. My name is Liron Segev, where I make tech simple. If you're into phones, gadget, apps, tips and tricks and how to, hit that subscribe button and let's get on to today's show. So ad blockers are essentially software that you typically run inside your web browser. When you open up a website, software identifies all the various ads and block them so you don't have to see those ads. Whilst ad blockers have been around for quite some time, more and more people are starting to use them, and the one reason is people say they make your browsing that much faster. We've heard of claims of this stuff before, so I put this one to the test. I wanted a real ad blocking system, not one that just simply blocks ads in my browser, but one that blocks ads on my entire network. Why? Well, if you're going to block ads in just one computer, you may not see the difference at all. But if the computers and the phones on my entire networks, all of them get their ads blocked, well, now we might see a difference. Okay, but there is one problem. How do you block ads on an entire network? I was going to scrap this whole thing until a company called LABISTS reached out and said, hey, we've got the perfect thing that you're going to need to get you going. They sent over this thing. This is a Raspberry Pi 4 inside a beautiful case which they supply. It's called a starter kit. Has 128 gigs of micro SD already preloaded with the Pi OS on it. In other words, for anybody who knows nothing about Raspberry Pi nor Linux, that's me, this is the perfect way to get going. Surprisingly enough, after a bunch of online tutorials, in about 20 minutes, I had an entire ad blocking system called Pi-hole set up, and the software cost me $0. The fact that it's a fully functioning computer over this side is something that still blows my mind. Kind of makes me want to explore more options to use this Raspberry Pi in the future, maybe how to get faster internet and security related products. I don't know. Link is in the description if you want to check us out. Definitely worth doing. Okay, so step one was complete. I built a network-wide ad blocking system using Raspberry Pi and Pi-hole. Let me quickly show you how this works. So here is a regular website. There is an ad at the top. There is an ad on the side. And I've got this little extension which tells you how long the website took to load. Now, what we're going to do is go into Pi-hole and I'm going to enable Pi-hole. In other words, it's going to block all the ads. So let's go and put the same URL in there. And there we can clearly see the two ads are now gone. And the counter shows how much quicker it is when you have your ad blocker on. Step number 2 was to test if the ad blocking has any impact on my speed. Here is what I did. I ran these tests over a period of a week. Each time I did the following. Number 1, I deleted the cache and the cookies. Number 2, I flushed the DNS so it's always fresh. Number 3, I opened the same page on 3 different websites at random times of the day and night. And number 4, I took a reading with the ad blocker off and then reran those steps and then put the ad blocker on and took a new reading. The results, well, let me show you. On the top one, you can see that the ad blocker is off. It loads in 5.8 seconds. The same URL loads when the ad blocker is on, and that's got a speed of 2 seconds. Of course, what we want is faster. So in other words, the lower the timestamp, the better it is. And regardless of how many times I tested this over that week period, it was always consistent. No ads, loads up a lot faster. So as you can clearly see, the results of having the ad blocker on makes a huge difference. But why is that? Well, the reason is that when a page loads, it has to go through all these scripts to go and fetch those ads from the various ad networks, as well as other bits that actually make the website run. Ads typically contain images as well as videos, and those are not cached, so a fresh copy needs to be sent to you each and every single time. The more that it fetches, the slower the website loads. But it doesn't just end there. Ads are set to rotate and be replaced, so not only do you have to fetch the ads once, but the website gets new ads every single time. Now, websites typically have multiple ads all over the place, so you get the idea. The more ads that it has, the slower it's going to load. Do ad blockers make the internet faster? No. Ad blockers don't make your internet faster so that you can play Fortnite without lagging or watch a movie without buffering. However, ad blockers do make your browsing faster. If you're on a fast connection, you're probably not going to feel the difference when you have the ad blocker on or have the ad blocker off. However, if your connection is slow, you probably will find a huge difference. So check out more Wi-Fi tips and tricks in these videos down here. Hit the head below to subscribe if this is your first time here. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in those videos. Let's go.